Hey, it's Clay Chert, and this will be a video chart on SRSR. I believe I did this one not too long ago, but I want to get it re-highlighted here as it's made a nice move today, and maybe nice isn't quite the right word for it. An excellent day, an extravagant day, however you want to say it, just a huge day, above average volume. So I want to get the chart updated, go over a few different time frames, and kind of give people an idea of what to be looking for next week, as hopefully things will keep going on, but we'll see what happens. So we'll just first start off with the daily chart, and just a quick little history. Here obviously nice big price, nice big volume. Then we had the nice consolidation period here, and what you can see was above average volume. Once again, nice move up here on the bigger volume. And then this last time here had some consolidation on lower volume. Now today we're in the big move here and nice volume. So this is just a really nice chart in terms of an uptrend and how you want to see a chart act. You're getting explosive moves, consolidation, explosive move, consolidation, and now explosive move again. So it's acting like a textbook chart would in any sort of uptrend. It's taking breaks. It's not just giving you, one candle here, another one here, and then another one there, and then another one up there. It's making moves and then pulling back, resting, and then making higher highs. So exactly how you want to see a chart act in a true uptrend. I mean, sure, if you're a short-term player, you just want to see it go up as quick as you can. But for the longer-term swing traders and investors out there, I mean, this is how you'd want to see a chart act. So with that being said, you pull up this, and this is the daily chart, and as you can see, we are as high as we've been since this point here, which translates into May of, looks like, what, 2008. So haven't been up this high for over a year, and things are just looking real nice. I'm gonna go on a weekly chart later on in the video to kind of figure out where our resistance levels are. But for the time being, I'm actually going to hop down to the 60-minute chart to give us an idea of where some support levels are. But once again, just real nice uptrend. You're getting nice moves, pullbacks, nice moves, little pullback there, and then another nice move. So the 60-minute gives us a better idea of where some support levels might be on any sort of pullback. And the first support level being right here at the high of these candles. So let me get that mapped out there. Change it to green for resistance to represent where the money's at. Probably move that down a little bit. But the high of this candle here and this one is 0.066. So on any sort of pullback, this is one level that you'd want to see hold. And along with that, you also have the 10-period simple moving average, this gray line, uptrending, and that's valued right now at 0.065, so basically the same price. And I mean, ideally, if you can hold this level up here, that'd be, this is definitely a best case type scenario. If you can hold the low of this candle here, which is valued at 0.071, so this is kind of what I'll call the best case scenario support level. But if you fail that, no need to freak out. You still do have this support level along with your moving averages, including the 20-period sloping upwards on you too. So no need to worry there. But overall, even if you just extend this, you can see 60-minute chart, just very nice. Have the 200-period simple moving average angling up nicely, representing that the overall trend of the 60-minute is definitely in a strong uptrend. Here you have the purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, really moving nicely. So all these moving averages, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The one thing they have in common is they're all moving in unison upwards. You don't have any of them going sideways. You don't have any of them going down. They're all clearly going up, and that's exactly what you want to see for a nice, strong uptrend. So let's hop back to the daily, and like I said, we're going to have to use the weekly chart to figure out where our resistances are. So here is the weekly chart, and as you can see, we broke through a key resistance level here this week, which was at 0.07. put in a couple highs way back here, but was finally able to break through it. So that's really good to see. And in the grand scheme of things, so if you're more of a longer term holder, zero point 0.07 is more of the support level that you'd like to see hold. But on that same note, if it doesn't, and you're a true longer term player, you still do have this support level down here that you'd like to see hold. And if it can, it'd still be doing this number here, putting in higher lows. So assuming this can hold, you'll have all these higher lows that keep getting put in. In terms of resistance, you're pretty much just looking at the high of this candle for the week, which was at 0.077, and then after that, and I'm not sure if this was a bad print or not, but according to the chart, the next resistance isn't until up here around 0.09. So you're looking at basically a blue sky breakout here on the weekly chart. Will it shoot straight up to 0.09? I'm not sure about that. But in terms of resistance levels, I mean, you've busted through them all, including this one, this one, and now this one. So I mean, you're going gangbusters right now, getting through all these resistance levels. So it's a real strong chart, and keep your eye on it. And remember that just because charts do things like this or this, that doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. It's just kind of resting, as I like to say. It's going to the weight room, pumping some iron, so when it heads back out to the beach again, all the ladies will be looking at it. So don't freak out just because of sideways action. If you have any questions, shoot me a message and I'll do my best to help you out. Once again, this was SRSR.